So whether you're looking for garden tools for yourself or someone else who may have some gardening accessibility issues, there are a variety of tools on the market these days. One of the early ones that came out were tools that had these arched handles to them, and they give a little bit more leverage for people who may have arthritis or some mobility issues in their hands and their wrists. There are some more tools on the market now that have a longer handle to them, so they could be used from a wheelchair or from a standing point. And they also have extendable handles. There are also some hand tools that you can use on the ground that will give you accessibility into shrubbery that's oftentimes difficult to get into. And then we also have watering tools that will help you reach plants to water them either from a standing or a sitting position, or to reach plants that are overhead and to make sure that you can get water to them. Many different garden centers will carry different brands and different accessibility tools, but you can ask them to shop for them. We also have a publication that was put together by one of our retired specialists just a few years ago, and if you're looking for tools for accessibility, you can also order some of them from suppliers online. With the University of Wyoming Extension, I'm Donna Hoffman from The Ground Up.